Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we leave Seoul. So we're all packed up and ready to go. Although we don't have to actually get to the airport until quite a bit later.
No, about 1:30.
Yeah, so we're going to potentially go try and grab a tea from a corner shop that's around the corner.
Yeah.
If it's open, we don't know if it's open. But yeah, we'll bring you along. And we fly to our new place today. We go to New Zealand.
Yeah, so we're going to get the subway over to Seoul Station and then get the airport railroad express. Or not the express.
Not the express, because
That's expensive.
it's like a fourth of the price.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll bring you along.
Yep.
See you in a bit. So we have come to get some tea before we get on the flight. I've got cinnamon tea. It smells wonderful. And Alex says jujube.
Yeah, jujube tea. It's gorgeous here. Really nice. Best traditional experiencing. So thick. I don't know how to describe the flavour.
Yeah, I don't know. It's roasted. There's a flavour. It has like a sharpness from like the plum.
Yeah. How's yours?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's the most cinnamon thing. Sometimes when you get something that's cinnamon, it doesn't actually taste like cinnamon, it tastes like sweet. Whereas this actually tastes like that hot sensation that you get from cinnamon.
But it's not dry.
It's a little dry. Not unpleasantly so. Like, it's Christmas in a car. Whereas yours is more autumnal feels in a car.
Gotta get the subway, Seoul Station. If you have luggage that is bigger than us, you can put it on the zip. We're just already wearing ours though.
If you can dance in it, you don't need it.
Because it's so much cheaper. Missed that one.
Made it to the airport. Job one. Now we gotta go find our gate? No. I'm way too early. You need to check in first. Although I've checked in, but you need to.
Yeah, and I think you still need to
Do something.
your boarding pass.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, that was quite stressful. It's fine, but they had no idea that as a British citizen that I could stay for 6 months on an ECA. So I had to get all the rules and stuff up from the New Zealand website and the British government website, because otherwise my flight was obviously 3 months later than it should have been. But we got there, and because it's only 7 kilograms per carry-on, they were quite strict. Well, they were strict-ish about it. It was 7 to 10, so she's let mine go on, but Dave's had to check his bag, so he had to pull all the expensive equipment and stuff out so he could take that on as his hand luggage. Yeah, we got there, and we've got boarding passes, and now we're just waiting for Dave's luggage to go. And then
So we just chowed down a burger.
very quickly.
Yes. I don't have my big bag. I had to check it because it was too heavy. Alex managed to get away with hers, despite we're both being over, but hers was less over, so that's fine. So yeah, now we're gonna go through and see if we can find our gate and flight and stuff.
Yeah, it's already saying like go to gate, even though it's only 2:30.
Yeah, we got 2 hours.
10 to 5.
Yeah, so we'll be fine. But yeah, it's okay. Lattes, but apparently flat whites have been sold out. I don't know. But we also have 2 cheeky little donuts.
Ooh.
I can't read it, but that says Auckland. Alex and I got somewhat separated because people don't understand how numbering works. But we're getting on the plane now.
내에서는 전자기기 사용은 항공 운항에 영향을 끼칠 수 있으므로 노트북 등의 부피가 큰 전자기기는 전원을 끄는 후 안전하게 보관해 두시고 휴대폰, 태블릿 등과 같은 작은 전자기기는 비행 모드로 이중 후 사용하시기 바랍니다.
Movie in 8 hours left. Number 2 is done.
Making sure everything's there? Yeah.
Where are we?
We are at Messi in St Kevin's place, which is like a little shopping parking complex.
But more importantly, where are we?
We're in New Zealand.
Yeah, you see the tower behind you. And you got some breakfast.
Yes.
And I got some breakfast. Needed.
Needed.